Hi gang, welcome to Armcandy. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tamara. This has just gone live on our website. Stunning piece of Louis Vuitton. It's a Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch, 15. It's called a 15 because it's 15 centimeters in length, in beautiful monogram coated canvas, and it's in absolutely fantastic, incredible condition. So it's one piece of coated canvas, okay, which means of course that the back is upside down. But let's just show you those sides. And we'll show you the base as well. So it's a zip top closure. There's a little tab and the zip pull. Okay, so then inside, lovely pale lining. It's called a toiletry pouch because there's a little coating on the inside, so you can get away with putting something in that's perhaps a little damp. Unlike their other pochettes, etc., that just have the canvas lining, this is coated. So you've got a little bit more flexy with what you can put inside. The date code is embossed. It's just there, but I don't know. Quite close to the seam. I doubt very much that's going to show up. There is a photograph of that on the website, okay, so you can have a look at that online. Comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and I think you agree, it's just an adorable, cute little thing. I mean, it's called toiletry. You could use it for toiletries, you could use it as a purse, as a wallet. They're really, really useful things to have. You know, if you have lots of bags, lots of Armcandy, and you perhaps want to use that one for a couple of days, then that bag for a day, and then change for another day, it can be quite a palaver changing all your things, putting all of your things into each bag each time. So if you just have a few of these that keep some of your essentials in, you literally change your bag and take this and put it in there. It makes life so much more simple. If your mornings are a bit hectic and rushed like mine are, this is your future. Okay, so this is an incredible example. It's in fantastic condition. The exterior is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition. And the hardware is very good condition. It's just one mark off being excellent because you can just, well, it's not even going to show, there's just some signs that it's existed, basically. Not so much been used as just existed. But absolutely incredible, beautiful little pouch. Isn't it stunning? The measurements of it are on the website. If I hold it, it gives you perhaps an idea. But an amazing piece of Louis Vuitton to enhance and simplify your life. So there is a link to this on in the comments below the video. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell. It's really important that you hit the bell. If you're a bag lover, hit the bell. Every time we have a new bag go on the website, then you'll get a notification because the video will go live as well. So it means that you don't miss out on anything, which is our biggest thing. People are always telling me, I went to look at it and it's gone. It's like, well, yeah, well, if you'd hit the bell, you might have got in there first. So hit the bell and then go to our comments below the video and there's a link that will take you straight to this on the website. Of course, whilst you're there, you can look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets that are there. And remember, if you want that welcome discount code, sign up to the newsletter. Okay, it's 5% off your first purchase. It's dead easy to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little white sort of envelope box thing, pop your email address in there and then we will immediately send you your discount code that you enter at the checkout. It is immediate. If it's more than 1 minute, 2 minutes, check the spam folder because it will have gone in there. And I think that's everything. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, hit that bell and then we'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's gorgeous Armcandy. Have a fabulous day.